In this week's segment of North Dakota Outdoors, Mike Anderson takes us to Reule Lake, where the fisheries development crew is building a new concrete boat ramp.
Reule Lake is a popular walleye fishery a few miles west of Medina in Stutsman County.
We're going to be building a new access area to Reule Lake here. This is in due part because we have a recently signed new easement with the North Dakota Department of Trust Lands. And prior to this site here, we had a primitive ramp that was located on the inundated township road. These primitive ramps are more geared towards that smaller boat with a roller trailer.
There's a lot of beforehand legwork involved in building a new ramp at any lake. The fisheries crews must identify the lake and find the perfect location that includes the proper slope and depth, proximity to a road, and then sign an easement with the landowner.
We need permits from the Corps of Engineers, State Water Commission, State Historical Society. From there, the last step is finding a local entity that can take care of the operation and maintenance of that facility going forward.
Once everything's in place, fisheries crews haul in equipment to make a new road, parking lot, turnaround area, and a bed for the new ramp.
From there, we brought in a long reach excavator and prepped the underwater bed to about a 15% slope using some rock cobble. Right above that, forms and rebar were set. We poured a 15 by 75 foot slab. In a few moments here, we'll be pushing that slab in onto that underwater bed that we prepared with a couple of dozers. Once that slab is sitting on top of that underwater bed, we'll dowel into it and then pour another slab, about a 70-footer that will be stationary then.
Reule Lake has been stocked with walleye fingerlings over the last decade, and the fishery harbors some nice fish.
The walleye fishery and in the bright future it has, we wanted to get something a little bit more permanent and concrete in here. So we're going to be upgrading and building this site to concrete, which will accommodate both your large and small boats.
The ramp is open and will get a lot of use in the future from recreational boaters and anglers. This is Mike Anderson in the North Dakota Outdoors.
Now, there are 430 active water bodies in North Dakota. Statewide, there are 350 ramps, 400 docks, 160 fishing piers, and 64 fish cleaning stations. Very interesting.